Welcome guys, in my brand new video I'm gonna show you how to buy traffic from a quality traffic provider. I'm gonna buy traffic myself in this video, and I'm gonna show you why you need to buy traffic from this person, where do you send that traffic from, and the reason for me to buy this traffic. One traffic source is more than enough to make you a millionaire. Now, before I dive into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get my videos straight into your inbox. Don't forget to leave a comment for me, share this video, like this video. If you have questions, leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. And yes, I am going to show you the traffic. I'm going to give you the traffic source as well. The links are all going to be in the description box below this video. Make sure you check it out. So first of all, like I always say, you need to drive traffic to a landing page. Okay, so you drive traffic to a landing page, and the reason you drive traffic to a landing page is because it allows you to build a list. And when you have a list of subscribers, you can just press one button that's called the send message, and that email will go out to thousands and thousands of subscribers on completely autopilot. So I'm going to send traffic to this page here. So I'm looking at this landing page. Okay, and I could let me just wait until it opens up. All right, so this is the landing page I'm thinking to send traffic to. It has been converting very good. Access to the latest internet cash machine that is helping newbies earn $500 to $8,000 in commissions without a website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some couple of changes here. Now you might be asking, what is this tool that you're using to build these how high converting landing pages? And that is ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels for this purpose. It gives you done for you ready-made templates. You just make a couple of changes and you could have a complete beautiful landing page just like this within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. It does come with a free 14-day trial. So I just want to make a bit of changes. Access to the latest internet cash machine that is helping newbies earn $500. That is helping newbies earn $500 to $8,500. Or just let me just make a change like that is helping newbies earn go from 0 to $25,000 in commissions without a website. Okay, so that looks much better. Let me just bold this. Now, why did I make this change? The reason I make this change is because you need to make sure that whatever you're saying here is congruent with the offer that you're going to be promoting on the other page. Because if it's not, your conversion and your sale is going to drop. You might not make any money. Okay, so you need to be congruent, and the offer that I am promoting is something that is helping people go from 0 to $25,000 a month. So if someone does join that program, go through the training and take massive action with a never giving up attitude, he can easily get to $25,000 a month. In fact, even $30,000 a month. It's a very good program and a very good system. I'm part of that program myself. So I'm going to be promoting that program. So I had to make this change. Let me just go to the mobile device and let me just change it here as well. So that is helping newbies go from 0 to $25,000 in commissions without a website. What happens if I just go like this? Yep, it's looking good. Right, so access to the latest internet cash machine that is helping newbies go from 0 to $25,000 in commissions without a website. Let me just go to the desktop. It's looking good. All right, so I'm going to save this. Just going to go to the settings to make sure that it's connected to my... Okay, I need to remove this and I need to connect it again. Select the integrator. Right, I'm just going to just refresh your entire list. So I'm just going to go for here. All right, so, and I'm going to click on save. All right, and just I'm going to go into my quality click control account that allows me to rotate different links. Okay, so I'm going to go in there and just going to look for that link that I'm going to be promoting. So I'm showing you real business, business, how I do business and how I make money online. My friend, you're looking at this live. This is not something that I'm hiding. I'm just showing you what I do in my business. You need to start doing it. Okay, so this is looking good. So I'm just going to copy this link. All right, if you don't know what quality click control is, it's a website, it's a control website that allows you to rotate your links. You have different options. There's so many other tools out there as well. I use quality click control. Let me just go back into my ClickFunnels account, go to settings, go to general, and I'm gonna get rid of this and put this link here. All right, and there you go, and I'm gonna click on save. Okay, and then what's gonna happen is when someone puts their email here, activate your account, they're going to be redirected. Now, by the way, the offer that I'm promoting on the other page, if you want to look into this offer yourself and you want to become part of this offer that is changing lives, then the link is going to be in the description box below this video. Make sure you watch that tutorial because you will have two options. You could do it yourself as well. You don't have to join this. All right. So just watch the complete tutorial, which is about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. All right. Just watch it. If you think you can do it yourself, go ahead. But if you want someone to do the heavy lifting for you, 99% done for you, then I highly recommend you join this program because it is changing lives. Daily notifications in the Facebook group. People are making commissions. Even newbies who never made a single dime online have joined this, start going through the training, started to take action. And now they are seeing some incredible results online. Right, so the links are going to be in the description box below this video. So let's just click on save, get out from here, and if you want to join this basically this tool to build the landing pages, I highly recommend ClickFunnels. Is one of the best tools out there. It does come with a free 14-day trial. Yes, it's an investment, but remember, if you want to become a billionaire, you need to learn how to take risk. You need to learn how to invest money and stop being a freebie, because freebies don't make money. Freebies can't become millionaires. Okay, so if you want to become a millionaire, you need to get out from your comfort zone and start investing money. All right, but once you start building that landing page, you take that risk and you start testing and tweaking and doing all this stuff, guess what? You're going to see money coming in and you're going to be very, very happy that you invested in these type of tools and resources. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description box below this video. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. Okay, and I'm going to go into my tracking link, because before I drive traffic, I need to make sure I'm getting real human visitors. I'm not getting fake bot clicks. One of the tracking tools is ClickMagick. Now you can use any tool out there. I recommend ClickMagick. ClickMagick is very, very accurate and it allows you to see everything. It gives you a score of the traffic quality as well. And it also gives you all the details about this traffic, where it's coming from, which browser, etc., which IP address, and is it fake, is it bot, what is going on. Okay, so I highly recommend you get ClickMagick. Links are going to be in the description box below this video. If you don't go directly to the link and you want to join through my link, more than welcome. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. It does come with a trial, I guess. You can join this, and like I said, you need to create a never giving up attitude. You need to get the mindset of investing in your business. You need to get the mindset of taking risk in your business. Okay, so I'm going to go into my tracking links. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just going to go into here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to change this. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. Okay, and let me see if I could change this a bit as well. And let's just click on save changes. Okay, that's done. All right, so, and look at this. If I just click on this, it gives me so many options. If I just click on this, let's just go to this. Look at this: copy tracking link, track conversion, split test, link notification. Okay, so I'm just going to click on tracking link, copied. Let me just go here and just make sure that it is the real link. All right, so yes, it is taking me to the landing page. All right, so this is looking quite good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go here and buy the traffic. Now I've gave you this traffic source. Now this guy who I'm buying traffic from is one of my top-notch recommended guys. Okay, links are going to be in the description box below this video, where I have pick and pack selected some of the top quality traffic providers on this website. Okay, link in the description box below this video. Once again, go ahead, get that traffic, start buying traffic, because this is where the money is being made. You need to keep on buying traffic, fueling your business, start building that list, get from 500 subs to 1,000 subs, then 2,000 subs, then 5,000 subs, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 subscribers. And this is how you're going to build a massive email list. And once you build a massive list, you have traffic, like a traffic machine, in your own hands. So you're controlling it. You just have to write a quick email, send an email out, and guess what? You could start getting thousands of clicks on completely autopilot. All right. So I'm going to start off with this guy here, Prime Filter. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to leave everything as it is. It's going to cost me 300 clicks. It's going to cost me 200. I'm going to leave this, okay? Because this guy, I know this guy. This guy's got very quality traffic. Even if the traffic is coming from tier 3 countries like India, etc., still is for quality traffic, okay? Because I've bought thousands and thousands of clicks in the past from this person. So I know this person. So what I'm going to do, if you want to know all the top traffic providers, I do have a link, a special link that you can join through my link to this website, register your account, and you can see which one is a top traffic provider. Okay, and I've got a complete tutorial on this website as well. All right, so I'm going to get rid of this link, and I'm just going to paste this. There you go. Boom. Allow the seller to start traffic delivery earlier than schedule, 10 November. Okay. All right, so it's telling me to use a balance. Okay. So I could do that, or I could do just go to checkout. So let's just go to checkout. All right, we are not able to open your link. This could be because it's broken or something broken. Which link? You're not allowed to. Please open it yourself. All right. How is it broken? When it's opening it. Okay, and if it opens fine, click here to confirm it works. It works, so let's go. Boom. All right. Okay, I'm going to put a new card, and I will be back once I've paid the money. Right, so it's done. Payment sent. Okay, now just waiting for this guy to accept my offer. Obviously, he's going to check my landing page, making sure that it's congruent with his list. He's going to do a lot of checking. If he thinks that no, this is not congruent, he will let me know. All right. So just waiting for him to accept my offer. Okay, so this is how this is going to go. Okay, so if you want to buy traffic, you want these top-notch pick and pack quality traffic providers, links in the description box below this video. If you want to see this offer that I'm promoting that's changing people's lives, newbie friendly, no experience, no prior experience or technical skills required, link in the description box below this video. And if you want to join Clickmagic, ClickFunnels for a trial, okay, and you want to join through my link, then links in the description box below this video. If you're watching my video for the first time, then make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. So